everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through how to log into Crunchyroll. Crunchyroll is an anime streaming service that offers over 1,000 titles and 30,000 episodes of anime. It is ad-free, but users can upgrade to 1 or 3 ad-free membership tiers through the premium subscription service. If you'd like to log into one of your accounts on Crunchyroll but you don't know how, keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Now let's get started. Start by clicking open any web browser and then in the URL box at the top, type in www.crunchyroll.com and press enter. You'll end up in the official website of Crunchyroll, which looks like this. Now, if you'd like to log into your account, go and click on this login link at the top right, which looks like a human icon. Once you click it on, you'll end up in the login or sign up portal. If you don't have an account yet, you can sign up for a new account by entering your email address into the first text box and then type in a desired username that you'd like to use for the account. Create a new password, select your birthday information from the drop down and choose your gender and click create account. But if you already have an account, enter your email or your username in the login portal and then head over to the password text box and type in your password for your account. Make sure to type in the password correct. In case you don't remember your password, you can click on this forgot password link right above the password box and follow the on-screen prompts to reset to a new password. To double check your password before moving on, you can click on this eye icon, which will help you reveal the password and make sure that you've typed in the correct password for your account. Once you type in all the credentials correct, go and click on the login button. And then you will be logged into Crunchyroll account in no time. To go to your profile, click on the profile button at the top right, click on your name, and you'll end up in your profile for Crunchyroll. If you'd like to log out of your account, simply click on this profile icon at the top right one more time, and then select log out from the expanded menu. That is how you can easily log into Crunchyroll account on your computer. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.